Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I got a short video for you today here to show you how to make some free money online for free. Doesn't cost anything. Stick around, we'll be right back in just a few seconds and check this thing out. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Lehner with FreedomMotivator.com, and if this is your first time here, and if you've been here before, you know that we do videos here on how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, any videos on how to make money online, and once in a while we'll even throw in a motivational video for you too. Okay? Alrighty, great. And again, if this is your first time here, and even if you've been here before and you haven't subscribed yet, reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ding dong that bell so you get notified of when we post new videos, okay, which we do fairly frequently here. Okay, with all that said and out of the way now, let's go ahead and get into today's video. I got a video today here about a quick way to make some money, and you're not going to make a lot of money with this, but it's a good way to make some extra money if you have a lot of free time on your hands and you don't mind typing. All you need is a computer and internet access, and you can make a little bit of extra money here, a little extra pocket change to go out on a date or order a pizza in on a cold Friday or Saturday night. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and get right in on this. The website that you want to go to is right here. It's called 2captcha.com, and then you see the address up here, 2captcha.com. What is a captcha? Well, in case you don't know, a captcha is something you see on logins when you log into like a membership account or any website or any kind of an account like that. They may ask you to enter in the captcha. What that is for, that is to make sure that you're not a robot trying to log in, or some automatic piece of software that's trying to log into their site fraudulently. Okay, so they ask you to enter in a captcha so that you can prove that you're a human, the person that's logging in. Okay, and normally, and if you've seen it before, we've all probably seen it before, it'll be some squiggly looking letters, or it'll be a combination of letters and numbers or that kind of thing, and you enter that in and you just click login, and it verifies your captcha along with your username and password and lets you log in. Okay, if you get it correct. Now what this site is here is apparently there are people who have trouble seeing the captcha, and they can't read it because a lot of times it's unreadable to them. So what this site does is allows customers to come here of websites, and they can sign up for the service where they'll have their captcha read for them or typed in and entered for them for the people, their customers or whatnot, that can't read those or having a tough time reading those and typing in the right captcha. So that's where you come in. You can work for 2captcha. It's home data entry work, and it's instant payments, and it's easy to start. And basically you'll just come here and you'll register and then sign in. It's free, doesn't cost anything to register here. And if I'm going to click on work for us here, which is the same as the learn more button there you saw on the other side, it brings you to this page right here. It says it's an online CAPTCHA typing job. CAPTCHA solving is a most simple and guaranteed way to have additional income on the internet. And they say here, to work on the service you only need a computer, a keyboard, and internet access. The point is that there are lots of images that cannot be recognized automatically, and there are people, customers, who are ready to pay for recognition of these images. We made a service suitable for both customers and workers when we collect images from a customer and send them to you, the worker, the person who signs up to work here, in a simple interface where you need to enter the text correctly according to the shown images. You will earn funds for every correct entered CAPTCHA. and you can start to work on our service. You only have to register an account, hit start work, and then the system will guide you through the training tasks to show you what to do, and after 5 to 10 minutes of that, you can begin to earn money by solving CAPTCHAs. Alright, here's a little 30-second video here I'm going to go ahead and play for you, and it'll show you a little bit about it here. So we'll just watch this real quick like here.
Earn money online without investment. MOTIVATIONAL is your first online job. Enter text from images and get paid. From 20 to 80 cents per hour. Work anytime you want without limits. Minimal withdrawal from $1. Withdrawal to Webmoney, Pace, Bitcoin, and other payment systems.
So there you have it, but just a pretty much it's a simple, easy job. You're not going to get rich doing this by any stretch of the imagination, but it's a good way to make some extra coins, and extra money. If you did this, you did this every day for 4 or 5 hours, if you like to type or whatever, and it's free, it doesn't cost anything, you could make some good extra spending money. Actually, if you're a teenager or something and you're looking for an extra way to make some extra money for free, this would be perfect for you. This would be perfect. And for anybody, stay-at-home moms or anybody like that who's interested in a little bit of extra pocket money, And so yeah, you can do that here, and tells a little bit about it here, and also and computer and internet access here, and how to do the work. Who needs a little bit of the stuff here in working terms. Easy earning on the internet without investments. You make somewhere between 50 cents to, like it said in the video there, anywhere from 20 to 80 cents, somewhere in there per I think it's 1,000 CAPTCHAs or something like that you type. So if you're fast at it and you're good at it, well, you could spend a few hours doing it and make maybe $5-10 per day doing that. So it's good extra money for somebody who has extra time on their hands and wouldn't mind doing it. Okay. Well, that's what I pretty much had for you guys today here. It's pretty easy. Just make sure you come to 2captcha.com, and you can go ahead and get signed up and get started on that right away. And it gives you some stats down here for workers and stuff. The average right now is about 23 seconds per CAPTCHA, and so on and so forth. And looks really easy. Easy way to make money. Alrighty, guys, that's what I had for you. I wanted to show you that today. If you like this video and got a little bit of value out of it, hit that thumbs up button for me down there if you would. Also, check out my links down below. If you want a really good way to make a lot of money, check out my #1 business, which you'll see right up here. Actually, I'm on the wrong side. It's up here on this side. And you can make a lot of money with this business down here, and plus you'll get over $3,600 worth of bonuses. And that link is down in my subscription there. So you check that out. Just click where it says mentorwithkev.com. Okay? So, and there's plenty of other links down there to help you out with videos and things that I have on the channel here. So that's what I had for you today, guys. I'll look forward to seeing you guys again here in a couple of days on the next video, okay? All right, you guys take care and have a great day. Bye-bye now.